Welcome, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel and sharing my YouTube channel to all of your friends who are intending towards learning French language while enjoying themselves in English. Okay, that's free of cost. You have landed at the right place. So right now, I have a very good news for you that I will be available. I will be online. It's mean that I will be on live tonight at 9 o'clock as per Paris time. It's mean that I will be live on YouTube channel at 9 o'clock as per Paris time. So you have to attend my session in order to improve your French while expressing yourself in English. Okay, so I'm sure that you are gonna be ready. I'm sure that you are impatient, you are eager, you are keen to attend my class in order to say yes, you can speak French as fluently as you can speak English. Okay, so it's for free of course. So don't forget to share my YouTube channel to all of your friends who want to learn French and English. Okay, and second thing is that you have to be available, you have to be present on time, so don't be late. Okay, so you have to be on time. I'm gonna repeat again, the session will start at 9 o'clock as per Paris time. I will be available, I will be live on YouTube today and tomorrow. So you have to be on time. If you have any question, don't worry, send me a message, join me on WhatsApp, on Zoom. I will definitely help you and you can start speaking that language while enjoying yourself. Enjoying yourself is mandatory for learning any sort of language. Okay, so I wish you best of luck, take care of yourself, and we will definitely see each other tonight on YouTube at 9 o'clock. Okay, have a nice day.